Hello, what's up YouTube? In this tutorial, I want to show you how eye and teeth whitening is the most commonly misused step in skin retouching by most photographers out there. I have seen so many people that tend to do eye whitening and instead they are trying to make the teeth look blue or they're trying to make the eyes look white. So with eye whitening is a very simple step or technique when it comes to doing it, and you shouldn't make it as complicated as possible because that is going to be a very simple step that you're going to be learning in this very tutorial. So let me show you oftentimes what most of you people tend to do. So the mistake is going to be a first step, and I'm going to show you how you can easily correct it later on in this tutorial. And if at all you feel like you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to comment in the comment section. So I'm just going to come down here and I'm going to, most of you tend to come and create a photo filter and come and create a cooling filter at around there. So what this does, it makes the image look a little bit blue in color. Then after doing that, you also come and you come to the hue and saturation and you desaturate the image. And if that is not enough, you also come to the blues rather and you take down the saturation and also take the yellows out of your image. Then some of you even come back to the vibrance option and you still take down the saturation. So this is going to desaturate the image by a way different level. So I'm just going to first of all group this. So usually we group this and hit Ctrl Command G on the keyboard and we hold down alternate on the keyboard and we create a layer mask which inverts everything. So you hold down alternate and you click on this layer mask icon and it hides everything from affecting the overall image. So you simply get your brush and you get a soft round brush. The hardness is at 0. Opacity and the flat 100% and make sure white is on the foreground. And if at all you don't have black and white right here, you can switch between black and white by clicking on these two small boxes to have black and white. And you can switch between black and white by using X on the keyboard to have white on top, meaning the brush is going to be white in color. And remember in Photoshop, white reveals and black hides. That's why the effect has been hidden behind the black mask. So we zoom in and we tend to just come and we paint using a white brush to reveal what is hidden behind our black mask. So meaning the white brush is going to be revealing what is hidden behind this black mask and we try to whiten the eyes. So this oftentimes can be a very good technique to whiten eyes. But if at all you're not careful, you're going to be having rather blue eyes and blue teeth. So let me show you the best way you can do this, and which is going to be by using only one adjustment layer. So just come to adjustments and you come and create a hue and saturation. So under master, just come to the master and simply desaturate that. So just come to master and take it all the way down up around -97, which is going to make the image relatively black and white. And with this white layer mask selected, make sure you come and select this and hit Ctrl Command I on the keyboard to hide that effect. And come and get a brush, hardness at 0, opacity and the flat 100%. And make sure you have black and white here. And I know that we said just simply click on these two small boxes and switch between black and white. You can use X on the keyboard or you can use this arrow to make sure white is on top. And you can come and paint in the white area of the eye. Just look at how natural this is going to turn out to be. Just look at the white area and the eye is white and not having any bluish filter added to it. But when you add that cooling filter 82, it oftentimes adds some blue color within the image. So just look at the before and after, before after. And this is what I tend to use when I'm doing eye whitening. And if at all you'd love to use this, simply a quick recap. Just come to the hue and saturation right here and now desaturate up to around -97 and make sure you select the white layer mask and hit Ctrl Command I on the keyboard. Get a white brush and simply paint in the white area to whiten. So basically this is all for this tutorial. And if at all you have loved this, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. If at all you have been watching and you want to subscribe this channel, Ronix from Ronix Photography. Thank you. See you need more amazing tutorials. And don't forget to keep practicing and also keep creating.